Did you know that we're bringing condos to the highly sought-after Quarter Path community in Williamsburg, Virginia? That's right. You have an opportunity to own a thoughtfully designed condominium in a planned community. And the best part is that Quarter Path is just minutes from shopping, dining, entertainment, and more. Forget what you think you know about condo living. Here is a sneak peek of what these new homes will look like. You get to choose from 5 spacious floor plans, and these homes offer up to 3 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, and come with a garage. Exterior maintenance and yard work are a thing of the past, meaning you will have more time to enjoy the community's amenities and this great location. You can learn more about condo living, the Quarter Path community, and these brand new homes by visiting hhhunthomes.com. HH Hunt, because it's how you live that matters.